Okay, I did not do a unboxing video, so I'm doing this video instead. I have not ran this yet. I got a couple nickel metals hooked up to it just to show you my lights. It's brand new still. Trophy Truggy HPI Flux. Stock motor, 1965 kV. I did put me on some lights up here on the front. And I did put me some lights back here in the back underneath the wing. Okay. I'll turn this bitch on. You see my lights on the front here. Should do pretty good at night. There's some tail lights down here. Blue. I'm still waiting for my two 2S LiPos to come in the mail. I'll run a 50C, 6500 milliamp. Should do pretty good. Well, that's all for that, I guess. Pretty simple. I should have some videos up here in about a week or so of me cruising around. Hopefully everything runs good.